Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we have a 2014 BMW 740 ALI M Sport package and replacing the HID bulbs on it. And it's a little bit more difficult than your typical car. So on this model you can't access the bulbs from the top or from the bottom anywhere really, because they are hidden under those covers. So what you're gonna do is you have to jack up the car, remove the wheel, remove the front part of the front fender liner. And once you do that, you can see the headlight. At this point, you remove the two bottom screws that go under the headlight, and there's one from top. I'll show you guys in a second. It goes right here. You remove this one too, they're T30s. You remove those three, and then that gives this headlight some wiggle room. So what you do is, then you get a T20, you remove this screw, this one here, and this one, which is under a plastic cover. You undo the cover, it usually breaks off because I think this is from the factory to keep it so they know if anyone messed with it or no, for the warranty purposes. And then there's another T20 right here. You remove this one too. For this one I used a stubby T20 like this, ratcheting, and it works great. And then the last one, number 5 screw, you remove it. This one is very tight as far as the room goes, not much room to work on it, but if you move the headlight a little bit, it does give you some room to work on it. And you unscrew it a few turns back, which gives you enough room to pop this open and flip it down without removing the screw, and then access your bulb and remove and replace. And once you do that, you put it back in place and put your screws back on and put everything else back in place. You don't have to remove any of this bracketry, you don't have to bend anything, you don't have to remove the bumper. So do it cleanly without breaking anything, and it should take you an hour and a half or two. You should be able to do both sides. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. There's more videos to come. Have a good day.